1952 MG TD, nicely restored British classic. Price, $13,950. Location, College Point, New York. A charming piece of British motoring history, this 1952 MG TD offers timeless roadster styling and the character that has made the MG mark a favorite among classic car enthusiasts for generations. Featuring a well-preserved older restoration, this vintage convertible retains its elegant post-war design while presenting beautifully for weekend drives, local cruise nights, and classic car shows. Known for its lightweight construction, nimble handling, and engaging driving experience, the MG TD captures the spirit of open-air motoring like few classics can. Its iconic rounded fenders, upright grille, flowing body lines, and vintage roadster proportions make it instantly recognizable wherever it goes. Offered at an attractive price, this 1952 MG TD is an excellent opportunity for collectors or first-time classic car buyers seeking an affordable, beautifully restored vintage sports car with enduring appeal and unmistakable British charm. 1959 MGA 1600 Roadster. Price, $18,950. Location, College Point, New York. A timeless British sports car with elegant styling and engaging performance, this 1959 MGA 1600 Roadster is an outstanding example of one of MG's most celebrated classics. Powered by the desirable 1600cc inline-4 engine, it delivers a spirited driving experience that perfectly complements the car's lightweight chassis and balanced handling. Equipped with a close-ratio manual gearbox, this MGA offers quicker, more precise gear changes for an even more enjoyable drive on winding roads and scenic highways. The addition of classic wire wheels enhances its authentic period-correct appearance while adding to its collector appeal. With its flowing body lines, signature oval grille, low-slung profile, and open-top roadster design, the MGA remains one of the most iconic British sports cars ever produced. Whether destined for weekend cruises, vintage rallies, or classic car shows, this 1959 MGA 1600 represents an excellent opportunity to own a beautifully styled, highly collectible British roadster that continues to captivate enthusiasts around the world. 1933 Ford Vicky two-door sedan kit car. Price, $24,900. Location, Netherlands. A beautifully finished custom hot rod with classic 1930s styling and modern V8 performance. This 1933 Ford Vicky two-door sedan kit car is built to deliver serious street presence and an exciting driving experience. Under the hood sits a potent Chevrolet 350 V8 engine, backed by an automatic overdrive transmission, while performance upgrades, polished chrome accessories, headers, and dual exhaust with Flow FX mufflers give the car an aggressive sound and strong road-going character. The chassis has been upgraded with Mustang 2 front suspension, QA1 adjustable coilovers, rack and pinion steering, and power disc brakes, providing improved handling, ride quality, and stopping power compared with a traditional vintage setup. 1998 Formula Mazda Race Car. Price: $21,000. Mileage: race vehicle. Location: Crescent, Texas. Built for pure speed and serious competition, this 1998 Formula Mazda race car is a professionally maintained open-wheel race machine with a rich motorsports heritage. Once a recognized step on the IndyCar development ladder, Formula Mazda cars remain popular in racing schools and regional championships thanks to their reliability, performance, and low operating costs. Power comes from a modified Mazda 13B rotary engine, producing approximately 185 horsepower, propelling a lightweight 1,280-pound chassis for exhilarating acceleration and razor-sharp handling. Paired with a 5-speed dog-box transmission with reverse, the car allows clutchless upshifts and lightning-fast gear changes, delivering the authentic feel of a professional Formula race car. Constructed with a tube-frame chassis, lightweight fiberglass bodywork, and aluminum aerodynamic wings, this Formula Mazda is engineered for maximum performance on the track. 1953 MG TD Fully Restored Roadster. Price: $25,000. Mileage: less than 5,000 miles since restoration. Location: Southampton, NY. A beautifully restored example of one of Britain's most beloved classic sports cars, this 1953 MG TD blends timeless styling with exceptional craftsmanship and dependable performance. Having traveled less than 5,000 miles since its complete restoration, this iconic roadster is presented in outstanding condition and is reported to run perfectly with no known issues, making it ready to enjoy immediately. Powered by MG's legendary inline-4 engine and paired with a traditional manual transmission, the TD delivers the engaging, open-air driving experience that made these cars famous around the world. Its graceful flowing fenders, signature upright chrome grille, exposed headlamps, and vintage wire wheel styling capture the elegance of 1950s British motoring. Whether displayed at concours events, driven on scenic country roads, or admired at classic car shows, this 1953 MG TD offers an exceptional combination of authenticity, reliability, and collector appeal. 1934 Morgan MX4 Three-Wheeler. $35,000. Location: Dayton, Ohio. A rare and highly collectible pre-war British classic, this 1934 Morgan MX4 Three-Wheeler captures the pioneering spirit of early motorsport with its unmistakable design and exhilarating performance. Powered by a legendary 1000cc matchless V-twin engine, This lightweight machine delivers the distinctive sound and character that made Morgan three-wheelers famous around the world. The engine is paired with a 3-speed manual transmission plus reverse, providing an authentic vintage driving experience that enthusiasts truly appreciate. With its exposed V-twin power plant, lightweight chassis, cycle-style front fenders, and iconic 3-wheel configuration, the MX4 offers a unique combination of classic engineering, responsive handling, and open-air excitement. Accompanied by a clear Ohio title, this beautifully preserved 1934 Morgan MX4 is an exceptional addition to any vintage vehicle collection and is equally at home at concours events. 1952 MG TD Classic Roadster. Price $32,900. Location Hazlet, New Jersey. A beautifully maintained piece of British automotive history, this 1952 MG TD is a timeless classic that combines elegant styling, vintage charm, and an engaging open-air driving experience. Although the listing title mistakenly identifies it as an Oldsmobile, this is a genuine 1952 MG TD, one of the most iconic British roadsters ever built. Owned and carefully enjoyed by its current owner for approximately 9 years, this classic has been well cared for and is ready for its next enthusiast. Powered by MG's legendary inline-4 engine and paired with a traditional manual transmission, the TD delivers the authentic feel and spirited performance that made these roadsters famous worldwide. Its distinctive upright chrome grille, sweeping fenders, exposed headlamps, and classic roadster proportions capture the elegance of 1950s motoring. Ideal for weekend drives, vintage rallies, and classic car shows, this 1952 MG TD offers collectors and enthusiasts a rare opportunity to own a beautifully preserved British sports car with timeless appeal, proven reliability, and enduring collector value. Rod Go-Kart. Price $1,200. Location Wayne City, IL.
Jump in it and take it a lap. Shut it off. Shut it off.
Packed with personality and guaranteed to draw a crowd, this Rod Go-Kart delivers classic hot rod style in a compact, fun-to-drive package. Built with an eye-catching rat rod theme, it has been a favorite attraction at car shows, parades, and local events, earning attention everywhere it goes. The kart is reported to run great, with plenty of usable power for enjoyable cruising, while a forward and reverse transmission makes maneuvering simple and convenient. It also features a hydraulic disc brake system for dependable stopping performance and a real steering box that provides responsive handling and an authentic driving feel. 2022 Vanderhall Venice GT Three-Wheeler. Price $10,000. Mileage 4,100 miles. Location Opelika, Alabama. A stylish modern three-wheel roadster with a unique blend of luxury, performance, and vintage-inspired design, this 2022 Vanderhall Venice GT offers an exciting open-air driving experience unlike anything else on the road. Powered by a responsive turbocharged engine and built with a lightweight chassis, the Venice delivers sporty handling, strong acceleration, and an engaging ride for weekend cruises and scenic adventures. Finished with Vanderhall's signature retro styling, This three-wheeler features a low-slung profile, premium roadster appearance, and a distinctive presence that turns heads everywhere it goes.